Let's take a look at a quick way to use dynamics to model. What I have here is I have a flat object. It's just a bunch of polygons, a grid of polygons making up a plane, and I've turned on subpatches. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to hop over to Layout, and what I've done is I've set up 3 collision objects that I'm going to use to help me model this object. So what I'm going to do is, if I go to my properties panel, and let me slide this over here, you can see that I've added ClothFX, given it a weight spring. Basically all I did was I went over to the advanced tab and the etc tab and chose cotton thin, and now I have gravity of -9.8. And what I'm going to do is, instead of hitting calculate here, a neat little shortcut, if you don't want to have to open up your object properties panel and go to the dynamics tab every time you want to recalculate, there's this handy little button here for IKB calculate. It's really going to calculate IK booster, but it will also calculate the dynamics. So if I go ahead and calculate this, and gravity's pulling my object down and colliding with the collision objects. So what I can do is I can pick the frame that I like. Say I want my object to look like this. I can go File, Save, Save Transformed Object, or Save Trans Object. It'll tell me that I need to pick a different name just so I don't save over it, and I'm just going to call this Cloth _ Trans 2 and save that. Hop over to Modeler and load that object, and as you can see, we've got our object that we modeled in Layout. It's a quick and easy way to do some modeling.